Hello children, happy morning to you all. Hope you all are safe at home. For today, our topic is about the sun and the planets. The bright ball seen in the sky during the day is the sun. The sun provides us heat and light, which is necessary for us to survive on the planet Earth. We are able to see the wonderful world around us because of the sun's bright light. We call this light sunlight. This beautiful sunlight fills our day with energy. The sunlight and heat is also necessary for plants. The sun, planets, moons, comets, asteroids, dust and gases are also part of the solar system. So children, now tell me, which makes solar system? The sun, the planets, moons, comets, asteroids, dust and gases are also part of the solar system. Sun is a huge ball of fire. It is a star. It has own light. Not only the sun, all the stars have own light. Planets. Planets are the heavenly objects that revolve around the sun. There are 8 planets in the solar system. Planets move around the sun in a fixed path called orbit. Planets are the cold bodies, and unlike stars, they do not have light of their own. They can be seen only when a star illuminates them. Have you ever wondered why planets move in their fixed orbits? This is due to the gravitational pull of the sun, which holds the planets in their orbits. Children, let's now learn some facts about the 8 planets of the solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. I repeat this, children. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So, how many planets are there in the solar system? Yes, there are 8 planets. The 8 planets are classified as inner and outer planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are classified as inner planets as they are closer to the Sun. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are classified as outer planets. These outer planets are farther from the Sun beyond the asteroid belts. These planets are mainly made of gas, dust, and ice. The asteroid belt separates the inner and the outer planets. These are very small as compared to the planets and have a solid rocky crust. Okay, children, now let's see the 8 planets in more detail. Mercury. It is the first planet from the Sun. Mercury is closest to the Sun and smallest planet of the solar system. The side facing the Sun is extremely hot, while the other facing away from it is extremely cold. Mercury has no moon. Venus. It is the second planet from the Sun. Venus is about the same size as the Earth, only slightly smaller than the Earth. It is the brightest and hottest planet of the solar system. Venus is also now known as the morning star. The atmosphere of Venus has carbon dioxide, which traps the sunlight and gives the planet high surface temperatures. And Venus has no moon. Earth. It is the third planet from the Sun, and so far the only planet which has life on it. It is slightly bigger than Venus and it is also called its twin. The temperature on Earth is just right for life to exist. When seen from space, it appears blue because 3/4 of Earth is covered with water and 1/4 is covered with land. Hence, it is also called the blue planet. And it has one moon. Mars. It is the fourth planet from the Sun. Mars is also called the red planet because of the presence of iron on its surface. Mars has very high mountains and very deep canyons. It has 2 moons. Jupiter. It is the fifth planet from the Sun. It is the largest planet of the solar system. Jupiter is so big that 1300 Earths can fit into it. It has 67 moons. Jupiter has 67 moons. Next, Saturn. It is the 6th planet from the Sun. It has rings made up of gases and dust around it. It is the second largest planet in the solar system. It has 62 moons. Saturn has 62 moons. Next, Uranus. It is the 7th planet from the Sun. It is the third largest planet in the solar system. It is the only planet rotating or spinning sideways on its axis. It has 27 moons. Neptune. It is the 8th planet from the Sun. It is the furthest from the Sun. The atmosphere of Neptune is composed of methane, which is poisonous gas. So this gives it its blue color. Neptune has 14 moons. Children, now tell me, which is the huge ball of fire? S is the Sun. Sun gives us heat and light. How many planets are there in the solar system? Yes, there are 8 planets. What are they? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Planets are classified as 2 types. What are they? Inner planets and outer planets. Children, can you tell me which separates the planets as inner and outer? Yes, the answer is asteroids. What are asteroids? Asteroids are objects that have a solid rocky crust. What are inner planets? Yes, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are inner planets. What are outer planets? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are outer planets.
Children, now let's start to write classwork. So take your EVS classwork, take index page and write the lesson number 8 and today date, and write again lesson 8, the sun, the moon and the stars. Right, children? Yes. Now take new page and write the lesson name. L in capital, N, 8, lesson 8, T, H, E, the, S in capital, U, N, sun, comma, T in capital, H, E, the, M in capital, O, N, moon, comma, A, N, D and T in capital, H, E, the, S in capital, T, A, R, S, stars. First Roman, D in capital, hyphen, W in capital, O, R, D, S, D words. First one, S, O, L, A, R, solar, SY, S, T, E, M, system. Second one is S, A, T, E, L, L, I, T, E, S, satellites. Third one is P, L, A, N, E, T, S, planets. Fourth one is O, B I T, orbit. Fifth one is C O N S T E L L A T I O N, constellation. Sixth one, C R E S C E N T, crescent. Seventh one is G I B B O U S, gibbous. Eighth one is C O M E T S, comets. Lesson 8. The sun, the moon and the stars. First Roman is D words, which means dictation words. First one is solar system. SOLAR, solar. System. SYSTEM, system. First one is solar system. Second one is satellites. What is that? Satellites. SATELLITES, satellites. Third one is planets. PLANETS, planets. Fourth one is orbit. ORBIT, orbit. Fifth one is constellation. What is that? Constellation. CONSTELLATION, constellation. Sixth one is crescent. What is that? Crescent. CRESCENT, crescent. Crescent means, you know, children, it's a phase of moon. Gibbous. Seventh one is gibbous. GIBBOUS, gibbous. Gibbous also one of the phase of the moon. And the last one is comets. COMETS, comets. Comet means, you know, children, it's one of the, what is that? Star, I mean Val Nachitram, right? Yes. So copy and write this first pattern in your classwork, children. Shall we move to the next one? Yes. Ninth one is A S T E R I O D S. Asteroids. 10th one is VANISH. Vanish. 11th one is CRATERS. Craters. 12th one is ASTRONOMER. Astronomer. 13th one is ASTRONAUTS. Astronauts. 14th one is SPACE space CRAFT craft. Spacecraft. 15th one is REVOLVE. Revolve. Right, children? 9th one is asteroids. What is that? Asteroids. 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 Asteroid means what, you know, children? They are object which made of dust and vanish means, you know, children, disappear, which means மறைஞ்சு போறது. So next one, craters. What is that? Craters. 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 Craters means what, children? Yes, the holes of moon. Right. 12th one is astronomer. What is that? Astronomer. 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 Children, now tell me, who is astronomer? Astronomer is a person who study about astronomy. Right, children? Yes. And the 13th one is astronauts. What is that? Astronauts. 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 Who is astronauts? Astronaut is a person who travel in space.
Next, 14th one is spacecraft. What is that? Spacecraft. S-P-A-C-E, space, craft. C-R-A-F-T, craft, spacecraft. What does mean by spacecraft? Yes, spacecraft is a vehicle which which flies in space. Last one, 15th one is revolve. R-E-V-O-L-V-E, revolve. Revolve means what, children? An object moves around another object. That process is called revolve. I have told you, planets revolve around the sun. Satellites revolve around the planets. Second pattern is A in capital, N, S, W, E, R. Answer T, H, E. The, F, O, L, L, O, W, I, N, G. Following. Answer the following. First question is D in capital, R, A, W, draw, A, N, D, and L, A, B, E, L. Label. T, H, E. The. P, H, A, S, E, S. Phasors. O, F. Of. M, O-N, moon. Draw a circle with the help of a coin. Children, use a coin to draw the circles. So first you should draw 5 circles like this. Because moon, the shape of the moon is circle only, no? So you have to draw 5 circles. So better you draw in a new page. Right, children, you can use a new page to this question particularly. So first step, you should give shading to the entire circle of the first one. So you have to give shading, complete shading for the first circle. Then draw an arrow mark. For second circle, draw the line and give the right side of the, which means 3/4 of the circle, give shading and draw an arrow mark. The third circle you have to divide and you have to give shading for right side alone. Give arrow mark again. For fourth one, very small quantity you have to give shade. Give arrow mark again. And for last circle you should leave. Now label the moon. N-E-M-O-O-N, W, new. M, O, N, moon. What is that? New moon. And this one is crescent moon. C, write C in capital. R, E, S, C, E, N, T, crescent moon. M, O, N, moon. What is that? Crescent moon. The third one is half moon. So write H in capital, A, L, F, half, M, O, N, moon, half moon. And fourth one is G in capital, I, B, O, U, S, gibbous moon. M, O, N, moon, gibbous moon. And the last one is F, U, L, full, M, O, N, moon, full moon. New moon, crescent moon, half moon, gibbous moon, full moon. Again, now we should draw arrow mark like this, children. Full moon becomes gibbous moon becomes half moon becomes crescent moon, and finally crescent moon becomes new moon. Right, children? Yes. So second Roman is answer the following. First one is draw and label the phases of moon. So what do you have to do, children? Here you should draw the different phases of moon. I have told you, children, moon has 5 different phases. What are they? New moon, crescent moon, half moon, gibbous moon, and full moon. So it depends on the sunlight falls on it. So what is the first one? New moon. New moon becomes crescent moon. Crescent moon becomes half moon. Half moon becomes gibbous moon. Gibbous moon becomes finally full moon. Full moon, another name for full moon, Paurnami. Paurnami, you'll say no. And what is the another name for new moon? Amavasya. New moon or no moon, we can say. So what is the another name for new moon? No moon. In Tamil, Amavasya. Right, children? Yes. So next, once the moon get full moon phase, it will start to change its phases again. Full moon becomes gibbous moon. Gibbous moon becomes half moon. Half moon becomes crescent moon. Crescent moon becomes new moon finally. Right, children? So this is what the different phases of moon. So what are the 5 different phases? New moon, crescent moon, half moon, gibbous moon, and full moon. New moon spelling N-E-W. New, M-O-O-N, moon, new moon. Crescent moon, C-R-E-S-C-E-N-T, crescent moon, M-O-O-N, moon, crescent moon. Half moon, H-A-L-F, half, moon, M-O-O-N, moon, half moon. Gibbous moon, G-I-B-B-O-U-S, gibbous moon, M-O-O-N, moon. Full moon, F-U-L-L, full, M-O-O-N, moon, full moon. Right, children? So copy and write this in your classwork. To draw the circle, children, don't forget to draw the circle, use a coin. Okay, then only you will get a complete circle. Thank you, children.